Alright guys, how's it going? So here I am at the beach again. It's another day at the beach. Still, it's the evening time at this peaceful beach. As you can see behind me, white sand, really calm. There's a few kids behind me playing, and guess what I've got today? Another young, fresh coconut. And what we're going to do today is open this young coconut, shop style. Today we're going to do the shop style, which is going to let the coconut stand by itself. We're going to cut the bottom and also cut the top. And we're going to serve the coconut right from here. So you'll be able to drink it from here. You don't need to break it into two in order to get the flesh out. So I'll show you how. So we're going to cut the bottom first, making sure that it's flat. Right. Okay, so that is going to be able to stand by itself. That's alright. And then we start with the top, giving it a slight slant on the top. If it's a young coconut, you can actually slice it since the top is still soft. Right, so you see the soft bit here. That means it's close to the shell. You don't want to overcut it till you pop the shell. Right, once it's flat like this, it can actually stand on its by itself. Right, so what you're going to do is you're going to make a big hole here so that you can insert a spoon and get the flesh out, and also a straw maybe. Are you ready? There we go. Right, so once you got this, right, it's ready to be taken off, and voila! You get the fresh coconut ready to drink. And make sure you've got a straw and a spoon in hand. So if you can insert the spoon in, you can just, it's really full actually, you can just kind of dig it and scratch around the shell on the inside so you can get the flesh out, and you can just drink it straight from there. And there we go, fresh young coconut right by the beach. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Keep watching for the next video. See you later.